Hello everybody. If you are a student of IGNOU and if you are doing BCA, then let me inform you one thing, that during your final semester you are required to develop a software, a complete real life software, and also you need to submit a project, a complete project report along with the code of the software, right? And before you develop that software, you are required to acquire permission from the regional center, and that you can do by submitting a project proposal. Now most of the students had asked me that how can they actually prepare a proper project proposal, because most of the students, after submitting their project proposal, those have been rejected by the regional center. So what could be the appropriate format to submit the project proposal so that we will be accepted? Now let me show you a demo project proposal which I actually had prepared last year while I have submitted my project proposal. This is my project proposal which I had submitted last year. Let me show you this as a demo project proposal, and this project proposal has been approved by the regional center. After that I have submitted my project, final year project. Also I have developed the software. Now as a demo project proposal, I want to demonstrate this to you so that you can prepare the same by yourself with your content and whatever software that you are thinking to develop. Accordingly you have to modify all the content, but the topic will be same, right? Now let me start demonstrating project proposal. So let us start. So you can see this form you can download from the IGNOU official website, and you have to provide all this detail, right? Before you prepare the project, you need to have a guide. Guide should have certain eligibility criteria. That means if you are pursuing BCA, your guide must have qualified MCA, and that person must have some working experiences, right? So you can see these are the detail which has to be fulfilled, right? Guide signature, your signature. So this is the first page. Now let me show you the second page. So this is the second page. In the second page it should include the biodata of the project guide. After that you also have to place the identity card of the project guide. It could be voter card, Aadhaar card, job card, driving license, or whichever identity card the project guide will give you, that will be sufficient, right? That you have to place here. A Xerox copy, not the original. You have to add the Xerox copy, right? Now after that you have to prepare this page. Just let me show you how this paper will look. Now you can see this is how you have to design, right? This thing you have to include in this front page, right? Just see how you have to do this. Now after that you have to prepare this indexing page. See, table of content. So you know that each and every book which you purchase from the market, it has its indexing page which will let you know that what are the topics that are going to be covered in that books, right? And at which pages those topics can be found, so that it will be easy to reach to the exact pages without wasting enough time. So this is called an indexing page. You have to prepare this for your project proposal. So let me show you what it includes, right? Now let me move on to the next page. Now you can see this is the title of my project which I had developed this year. Now after that, short introduction for the software which you are going to develop. At the time when I have prepared this project proposal, before I had developed the software, so I have developed the software later, right? In this year, in the previous semester, I had submitted this project proposal. You can see the introduction portion I have written. Just go and read. Now after that, objectives. What are the objectives developing such kind of software, that you have to write. So here whatever I have written, that is why I have developed that particular software. So I have developed an online examination system. So why I had developed such kind of application. So I have written here. So whatever application in this objective, that is the topic you have to write by yourself. Now after that, project category, right? So you can see my project category, that is RDBMS, that is relational database management system. It includes, so whatever project you are going to develop, you have to write the project category. Just read the whatever I have written over here. Now limitations, what limitations you have in your project. So you can see what I have written as per my project limitations. And also you have to add future scope and further enhancement, that is how can you develop your project further in future, what feature that you can add to your project so that it will be much more efficient and effective for the society. So that you have to add over here, right? Now after that, you have to prepare a level 0 DFD, right? You know how to prepare this level 0 DFD. Along that, you have to also add the input and output for this level 0 DFD. Now after that, you can see level 1 DFD, and also it includes the input and output for each and every module for the level 1 DFD. I hope you know what is level 0 DFD and level 1 DFD, right? So you can see in the level 1 DFD, each module has been separately, it has been shown, right? Input and output has been shown for each and every module separately, right? You can see over here that this many number of module, right, for level 1 DFD, and for each and every module input and output has been shown. But in case of level 0 DFD, there is only a single complete module. For this module, input and output has been presented, right? Now 0 level, level 1 and level 2, right? You also have to prepare the level 2 DFD along with the input and output, right? So this is how I have prepared. You can see input and output which I have prepared for my application. After that, so the database table and design that you have to show, right? You have to write in this manner. Just see, you can see it includes all the tables which I had prepared for my application, right? After that, ERD, that is entity relationship diagram. You must be knowing how to prepare this entity relationship diagram, right? So you have to do that for your application, right? And after that, it should be followed by this project include the following module. This is a module demonstration. So you have to separate your project by small modules, right? So in my project, I do have this many number of small modules which togetherly work and solve the purpose of my software. So you have to write the same for your project, right? But the module will not be same, the module will be different according to the project which you have developed, right? You can see this is my modules for my online examination system project, right? After that, we also have to include this, you can see the testing procedure. Also you need to include the testing procedure for the software. How are you going to test your software? After you will develop the software, you need to do proper testing of the software. You have to go through each and every module and test those modules separately by the unit testing method, and also you have to implement boundary testing method to see the numeric value is working properly or not. So all these things you have to implement, right? And right, so this is testing process to be used for this software, right? Now that should be followed by the report generation section, that is report generation through the software, right? Now your software must be providing some output, that is nothing but the report. What kind of report that your software will generate? My software will generate certificate, right? So this is what I have developed, an online exam system. Student will register themselves, student will give exam. After that, the past candidate will be awarded with a certificate. So that is what the report that will be generated as a certificate from my software, right? So whatever software that you are going to develop, that particular software must generate some kind of reports that you have to specify over here, right? After that, that should be followed by hardware and software requirement specification. So this is how I have written, right? So it should be more or less same for your application also. If you develop any application which is related to RDBMS category, I think this hardware and software specification must match, right? So let me show you. After that, these are the software specification which was required to develop my software, right? Operating system Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Application which I had required, that is Apache server for hosting, right? I have used the XAMPP server, also that can be used in the WAMP server. I have used the NetBeans text editor, right? And these languages which I had required for writing program, right? So Photoshop 0.7 that I have used as to design some logo, graphics editing, right? And I have used the HTML and CSS for the front end design. I have used the JavaScript for validation and creating certain event, right? And I have used the PHP as a server side scripting language, and for storing data in the database I have used the MySQL database, right? And this is the last page. You have to give a declaration, right? Here I have given a declaration. So this is how I have prepared my project proposal in the last semester, that is 2021 December semester, right? So that has been approved, and this semester I have submitted my project report, and also have developed the software, that is online examination system, that I will demonstrate before you, so that you will have some idea that what is a real life project that is actually expected from you, right? University expect a real life application from you, so you will get an idea that what kind of project that is expected, that is what kind of software, a real life software, how does it looks like, how does it work. So I will demonstrate my application before you. So let me request you that please do subscribe my channel and support me, so that I will be motivated to make more such videos. So if you like this video, if you think this video will be helpful for my friends, for other students who are pursuing their graduation in computer application, then please click the like button and share this video with your friends. So goodbye for today.